In this video, we will be studying about the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. See, we've learned how to find out the correlation from the scattered diagrams. See, the scattered diagrams only give us the direction, that whether they are correlated or not and in which direction they are correlated. Whereas they do not give us any precise value or the quantitative value. So the Karl Pearson has given us the quantitative method of calculating correlation. It is an important and widely used method of studying correlation. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is generally denoted by R, small r. So he has given the formula that R is equal to summation of x and y divided by the number of observations, standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, where your small x is the deviation of x you have taken from the mean, and y is the deviation of y you have taken from the mean. So this is your x and y. If we solve this formula, we get, see, what was the formula for your standard deviation? Summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n, under root. For y it was summation y minus y bar square divided by n. So summation x minus x bar square is summation small x square, because x minus x bar, divided by n, into summation y square divided by n. So summation x y is equal to, you can cancel your under root n into under root n is 1n. So n is deducted by 2 under root of n, because under root n into under root n becomes n. So n is cancelled by n. We have got the formula summation x square into summation y square. So from this formula we have derived this formula. So we will be using this formula or this formula according to the situation given in the question. We will use it, whether to use this one or this one. This formula is also derived from the given formula. So this is the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. The correlation will lie between -1 to +1. So if it lies between 0.75 to 1, then it is highly positively correlated. If it's lie between 2.5 to 0.75, then it is moderate positive correlation. From 0 to 0.25, it is low positive correlation. 0 means no correlation. In the same way, if I talk about, if it lies from -1 to -0.5, which means highly negative correlation. From 0.25 to -0.75, moderate negative correlation. And from 0 to -0.25, low negative correlation. So these are the degrees we've studied of correlation. Same way, you will get in the Karl Pearson's, you will get a quantitative value of the correlation. We will be studying the numericals of how to calculate the correlation or coefficient of correlation in the coming videos. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.